Hi guys, kagising ko lang. So bago ako mag-live, gawa muna tayo ng reels answering two key concerns sounding the server. Number one is the cap raiser's crown. Number two is the closure of the car park. So medyo maraming umiyak on both issues. Number one, the cap raiser's crown. Yung cap raiser's rewards, matagal ko na siyang na-prepare. Yung costumes along with the cash. So ready na siya. Yung cash na bigay natin kaagad, yung Cap Raiser's Crown naman medyo hindi tinanggal kasi meron daw errors dun sa stats na binigay ko. Hindi po error 'yan, tama talaga na +5 lang 'yan. Nangyari last patch nung nagpa-patch kami na isama, na baguhin yung Cap Raiser's Crown and gawing +10. Hindi ko siya masyadong na-review that time and we have 1 week in between to make corrections kapag may mga error tayo sa patch. So kaya nagtagal na ng 1 week bago natin naayos yung stats ng Cap Raiser's Crown. Pero ganun talaga ang ang design nun. Design nun is half the stats of the Babylon Crown to make sure na hindi niya mapatungan. Kasi tradable yun eh. You can have it both ways. You can only have it either 90 days, non-trade with the same stats, or tradable half the stats. Para kahit papaano, hindi niya ma-devalue yung mga previously issued na gold burner item natin. So yun yung idea behind the half the stats kasi tradable nga siya. Number two, the car park. Now, kailangan nating isarado yung car park because as you know, the economy is still a little bit shaky. Hindi pa rin siya ganun ka-stable. So we have to take drastic actions to stabilize the market. Kasi alam nyo naman that one of the key metrics na tinitingnan ng isang player bago pumasok is the gold rate. So we have to do something to manage the gold rate. So kaya kailangan nating isarado yung car park. Pero kapag stable na yung market, we can evaluate it from time to time. Pwede pa naman nating i-open yung car park depending on the supply and demand. Kasi ang price kasi basic naman yan eh. It's always controlled by the law of supply and demand. So kapag mataas yung demand, bumaba yung supply, mataas yung presyo. Ganun lang yun. Kapag stable na yung market, we can reconsider opening the car park again. So yun lang yun guys. Follow for more.